Hello friends, I'm Mukesh Singh. Today we are going to create a web application using ASP.NET, and then we are going to deploy that application to Azure App Service. Azure App Service is an HTTP based service for hosting web application, REST API, and even mobile backends. You can develop in your favorite language, be it .NET, .NET Core, Java, Ruby, Node.js, PHP, or Python. Application run and scale with ease on Windows and Linux based environment. So without making any further delay, we are moving to Visual Studio. And before that, if you had still not subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So now my Visual Studio create new app window is open. So I'm going to click on create a new project. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a web application, and then we are going to deploy that web application to Azure App Service. So here in my recent projects I have ASP.NET web app. You can search it here and find it. So I'm going to click on it and click next, and here I'll get something, uh, maybe just YouTube app. Then I'll click next, and here I'll keep the framework as .NET 5, and rest of the setting as whatever it is by default. So click on create. It will take some time and create the project. So now as you can see here, the project is created, and without doing anything, what we'll do is will just run it locally. So I'll click on here, IIS Express, run with IIS Express. As you can see here, uh, this app is running in localhost port uh, 44341, and we can see the welcome page. We haven't edited anything, it's the same application what we got it from the template. So what we are going to do is we are going to deploy this application to Azure App Service. So I'll minimize the browser, and here comes the Visual Studio. Now Solution Explorer, and what we'll do is we'll just right click on the project, and here we have this publish option. So on publish, so here Azure, next Azure App Service in Windows. Next, as you can see already I am logged in, so it is showing here, and this is a subscription name, view resource group, and here it is showing me the already resource group which already I have. So for this application what I'll do is I'll create a new resource and app service instance. So I'll click on add, and here it is giving the resource group name which already present. Either I can add this application in same resource group, or even I can click on new and give a new resource. So what I'll do is I'll just create a new resource group. So YouTube app, and click OK. So here it gives, and hosting plan, even I can create a new hosting plan. It is just location South Central US. I can change it to maybe I'll change it to South India, and size we can share like whatever we want. So I'll choose the free one. So okay, and then I'll click on create. So it is going to create the hosting plan and the resource and everything it is going to create. It will take a while to just create the app service. So now as you can see here, my resource group and this the app service instance is created. So now the published profile is created. I'll click on finish. And now here you can review it, and it is the published profile is created. So it is only clicking off one button, publish, and it will publish the app on Azure App Service instance which we had created. So I'll click. Here it does some checks where the application is running correctly. Oh, already we were debugging it, so yes, stop it. It will just take few minutes or so to complete the process. So now as you can see here it's a web application. Web app was published successfully, and this is the URL by which we can access our application. So I'll just click on it. So now as you can see here, it is created and it's available in Azure website. So now what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and edit the application. We make some changes and again deploy it. So let's go back to Visual Studio, and here in pages we have index page. So what we'll do is here we change this message. So here we just change to welcome to learning with Mukesh, and we save it. And once we so here we updated and we had saved it. So now what we'll do is we'll again right click and publish. So here as you can see, already we had the published profile, and already we had published it once. So what we have to do is just click on this publish button and it will republish. So as it's a subsequent deployment, it is going to be much quicker. So now we already we had the browser, so we'll just refresh it, and now you can see the updated application is deployed successfully. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment what are the improvements you want and what you liked it, and please do subscribe my channel. That really appreciates and motivates me for making similar videos. Thanks everyone. Thank you.